Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I am doing the OURSELF All Over Brightening Regimen. Today I'm finally doing the brightening peel. So after 2 weeks of prepping my skin, because I read the directions and followed the directions if you look at my previous videos and reels, so you are supposed to prepare your skin for the brightening peel by using the Daily Dark Spot Intercept twice a day. You're going to follow that up with the Daily Renewal Cream twice a day. And then you're going to use the Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF every day. So ideally you want to reapply your SPF throughout the day. They usually say every 2 to 3 hours. I'm laughing because my cat wants to be part of the action. So she's up here on the vanity, looking in the mirror, scratching the mirror, making the camera shake. So let me move her. Come here, bub. Oh, she always wants to be part of the action. I've been shooting a lot of content lately, and I've been closing the bathroom door a lot, and she's been very upset that she can't just come and go as she pleases. All right, let's move on. All right, I gave you some attention. Can I finish this now? All right, so the brightening peel is right here. This lovely little item. So I lost my train of thought because my cat is so cute and ornery. So I've been using this entire skincare system twice a day, every day for the last 2 weeks. So my skin is prepped and ready. The day of the peel, the brightening peel, you are supposed to wash your face with your regular cleanser, and we go from here. So we have the peel accessories kit that comes with the regimen. I've not opened this yet. Well, I mean, I opened it just to take a quick peek, but I kind of have an idea what's inside here. So whoops, let's go ahead and pop out gloves. I'm gonna put those on. I'm gonna prep my skin with the pre-peel alcohol wipes. Just apply that all over my skin. And then we have the gauze, and there it should be, yeah, there it is. I'm over here just dropping stuff. Droppers. So we're going to open this up. We're going to put the dropper in. We're going to take a full dropper, and we're going to do 1 to 2 entire dropperfuls on the gauze. And then we're going to apply that all over my skin. You apply in one thin layer, starting on your forehead, lower jaw, chin, nose and cheek. You don't want to go into the eye area. So you want to avoid the under eye area. So you don't want to go above the cheekbones. And then you're going to leave it on for 5 minutes. See, I'm trying to remember. I've got the instructions here. So this is why you read the instructions. That's also why I'm walking myself through to make sure I do it right. Yes, you leave it on for 5 minutes. There we go. You leave it on for 5 minutes, and you might feel some tingling, a little bit of stinging. If it's too excessive, then obviously you're done. But if you're not too sensitive, you can repeat the peeling process up to 7 times. Each time you're going to leave it on for 5 minutes. And once all that's done, you wait 15 to 30 minutes, and then you apply the Daily Dark Spot Intercept. You follow up with the Daily Renewal Cream. And then, of course, sunscreen, baby, SPF 50 mineral. So let's get right into this. So I'll speed up this part to keep it interesting, and we'll go from there. Okay, I've applied the peel 6 times. I'm feeling the tingle, but I'm not hurting, I'm not burning, so let's go for the 7th one. Okay, so I did 7 applications of the brightening peel, which, in case anybody's wondering, is actually glycolic acid. And they say if you have any of the peel left over, you can actually save it for another treatment. So if you do decide to do another brightening peel treatment, you want to wait 2 to 4 weeks. So they do provide you in your little accessories kit with an extra little cap, so we can pop that on there and we can save that for another day. You want to keep it in a nice, cool, dark place away from pets and animals and children and anything that it might spill on. So I will just keep that. That's cool. So now I'm supposed to, I can go ahead and take this off. Now I'm supposed to wait 15 to 30 minutes to apply my daily skincare routine, starting with the daily dark spot intercept, then of course the daily renewal cream, and then of course the mineral sunscreen broad SPF 50. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait 30 minutes and let this work its magic. My skin feels a little tingly, but I'm not burning, I'm not in pain. So far, so good. Okay, it's been half an hour. My skin feels fine. Feels a little tight, a little dry. So we obviously want to keep that moisturized. So I'm going to go ahead and do the usual skincare routine, the daily dark spot intercept, followed by the daily renewal cream, and of course the SPF 50 mineral sunscreen. So let's do that right quick. Okay, so that concludes the peel, the all over brightening peel. So what can I expect? So within the next 2 to 4 days, I might experience some peeling or I might not. If I experience any kind of peeling, that's a normal reaction. I'm not supposed to exfoliate or pick at any of the dead skin that is, I guess, essentially shedding. They say it takes about 7 to 10 days to reveal the full results, which is clearer, brighter skin. So I have absolutely loved using this skincare regimen. This has been so luxurious, so effective. The past 2 weeks that I've been using just these 3 items, like the radiance and brilliance and glow in my skin has been beyond anything I've ever experienced. Like just the boost to my self-esteem, like loving the way I look without makeup, loving just the way my skin looks. And people have constantly been complimenting me on my skin. Oh my God, your skin looks amazing. Oh my God, you have such nice skin. Oh my God, what do you use? So I highly recommend this. It is definitely clinical results without the clinic. So, you know, no more syringes, no more, you know, office visits, no more appointments. You know, it's a one-time investment and you can use this for quite a while. So I still have enough left for another treatment. There's enough in the accessories kit, gloves, dropper, gauze, you even the little alcohol pad. So I can do one more treatment. If I want to do another treatment, I can do it in 2 to 4 weeks. If I want to do another glycolic peel, so that's pretty cool. So I just want to say thank you to OURSELF for giving me this opportunity to thoroughly test and try out the All Over Brightening Skin Regimen. This is so effective and amazing, and I wish everyone who is enthusiastic about skincare would have this opportunity to try this. Well, you do. Go to their website and order the stuff. You can even order it on schedule, so you're never without it. They often have discount codes, so you can get a small percentage off. So definitely worth checking out. So thank you so much, OURSELF. And thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. If you just have comments, leave them down below. I love it when you guys interact with me. If you don't already do so, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Heather and King. There I do a lot of makeup and skincare reels, stories, all the Instagram stuff. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.